Assembling the Cutie Tabletop fabric frame.
Follow these instructions to prepare your quilt for attaching to the frame. Measure the length and width of your quilt top. Cut your batting so that it is 2 to 3 inches larger than the quilt top on all sides. Pin the quilt top right side up to the batting. Cut your backing so that the top is at least 8 inches longer than the batting and the bottom is at least 13 inches longer. Pin the backing to the quilt with the right side facing down. Roll your quilt up starting from the bottom and carry it to the frame. Slide the top edge of the quilt under the hopping foot on your sewing machine and over the top of the take-up rail. Square the edges with the frame. While keeping the bottom edge of the quilt rolled up, press each of the 3 mid-sized fabric clamps over the quilt, onto the take-up rail so the lip faces inward. Fasten down the excess fabric on the take-up rail by attaching fabric straps to the lip of each clamp. Clamp down the fabric to the front rail with the front fabric clamps. Again, ensure the lip on each clamp points inward. Fasten down the rolled fabric with the fabric straps. After tensioning the straps, tuck the excess into the plastic clips on each strap. Start quilting. To tack your fabric together, baste along the edges as you quilt.